Yo, what is up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can stop your snaps from saving to your camera roll on Snapchat. So the process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. I'm going to open up Snapchat really quickly. You'll be on the Snapchat camera once you open up the app. Then what you want to do is tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left hand corner over there. That'll take you to your settings or your profile page. Then you want to tap on the settings gear cog at the top right hand corner. Okay, so once you're on your settings page, you want to scroll down and you want to look for the option that says memories. So here it is right over there. If I tap on memories, we have a couple of options. You can choose smart backup, which was memories may back up over mobile data. You can leave that on or off. But here you want to select where it says save button, tap on save button, and then three options appear. You can either save your snaps to your memories or your memories and camera roll. And since we don't want it onto the camera roll, we don't want to select that one. So we want to just select memories right over there, and then that will auto save and you can go back and you can see now it says save. Every time you save a snap, it will go to my memories and not my camera roll. So that's the process. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.